You know, I don't think I even need to use my brush to blend this out. I think I did a good job. I think I did. Wait, no I didn't. I saved my look. I was able to pull it together. And it's only just a few quick little tips that'll show you exactly what you need to do to recover when you fail, and keep going and keep using makeup and keep trying colors and keep trying foundations, and don't be afraid of highlighting. So yeah, that's what this video is about. If you're interested in watching, please do. Thank you. So I like this fan brush for applying this powder contour, but I have to go in with my more defined, or I guess more stiffer contour brush to really blend it. I don't feel like the fan brush blends it well enough, so I'm going to go in with this to make sure that I have it blended really well. So I just like to follow up with the brush, this brush, to make sure I'm blended. So I'm going to go in and pop it on my lid. Ooh, and I messed up right there. I gotta fix for it though. I'm gonna take my brush I used to apply my foundation and try to get this off. And it's working, it's working, it's working. It worked. All right, so I feel like I'm making a mess with my finger. I'm gonna go in with my brush and try to blend with my brush. I think I succeeded. Okay, let me do the other eye. I guess this is why people do their eyes first. But I can't do my eyes first. Try this again. So I'm gonna take my finger. Look at that. I always mess this up, so I hope I don't mess it up. Ooh. Look, it's trying to go wrong, y'all. It's trying to go wrong. Put the rest on my nose. This look is, you know, I was experimenting today and I didn't know how this look was going to turn out, but it is coming together good. I think I did a good job. I think I did. Wait, no I didn't. No I didn't. Look at that. You know what the fix is? Here's going to be the fix. I'm gonna fix this by concealing it just a tad bit with blush. All right, so we went a little ham with the highlighter, a little ham for my taste. So I'm just gonna go in and try to tone it down a little bit, but with some blush. See how they kind of toned it down? And ooh, that's cute. That is cute. So as you can see, doing your makeup can be fun. It is not that serious. Even when you mess up, you can always recover. Makeup is not about perfection. It's just about enhancing your natural beauty. and we're all beautiful. So don't be afraid to play with it. Don't be afraid to mess up. Yeah, you can recover. Oh, I need to do a lip, don't I? Okay. And voila, this is the final look. Do you like it? I love it. I had fun today. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please come see me again for more beauty content, hair, makeup, skin. Yeah, that's what my channel is pretty much about lately. But hey, I will see you next time.